Hey, bro. Okay, I don't know if this. I don't know if it's just me, bro. But this nigga give me like Playboy Cardi, Chief Keef vibes. Like if Playboy Cardi and Chief Keef like had a kid. Pause. That's a beat. This would be this nigga right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, folks fake decent.
Oh, you got a wire on you, I'm finna flip you. Cause y'all seen what happened when I made it out that prison. I lost my mind, they had me in that penitentiary. I'm finna get out, go and kill my whole family. It's a misery. They was trying to get me for my third body, I killed 50. If a bitch try to trick me on my sense, I kill 50. Cause I don't talk at all, but I'm not done. This beat nigga to death with a big stick and he tried to run.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy John from the motherfucking lad, y'all. Back at it again, y'all. And today, we finna be reacting to the GOAT himself, Chief Keef. But he on some shit with some Lil Gnar. You know what I'm saying? Lil Gnar signed with, you know what I'm saying, Glow Gang, shit like that. So that's why folks even rapping with phone them. So let's get right into this shit. It's called Almighty Gnar. Let's get it.
I'm from the south side, I ain't from Skokie. Call me Smokey. We ready if the ops they think it smoke me. These bitches dirty. Where I'm from, you get a pissed off a dirt cheap. And McFlurry. Bitch, my fucking rich, that McFlurry. Like a jersey.
This nigga Chief Keef rapping like he done beat every mission in the world and he playing side quests. Folks don't give a damn about nothing no more. Folks, I remember when Chief Keef was going crazy.
We'll leave a t-shirt like a jersey. Did you heard me? I just caught some brand new money. I just blew some bins and onyx. I just took the stand and lied to your honor. She gon' come to crib and give me that body. I keep a big fin, I be with piranhas. I just cop a lamb truck, fuck your Honda. No, not like a doctor, he be medicated. I need my money now, I ain't got no patience. Blicky hit it chin like monkey pox, it get messy. I get word from Mexico, I'm plugged in with that essay. Cut that boy slipping with the lead like a x-ray. Got your bitch squirting while she ride like a jet ski. I feel like I'm Chief Keef in 2012. All these bitches say they love me, I pull walk it by myself. I just want some sloppy, told her thought it keep her pants on. Gave my youngin' 20, told him slide with the shites on. Grown that man, pay the bills, I keep the lights on. She get extra sticky, effing blicky with the sights on. GIA certified, don't do rhinestones.
Yeah.
IG big guap, know I handle big. $500,000 on narcotic shoes, I done got Nike picks. I done put the east side on my back, they fucking love the kid. I ran out these commas out the mud just like a clip. When my granny got it, broke my heart, I turned to bitch. Short dick, purple hair, bitch, call her Wakiana. Only time I cheat on her is when I'm with my Dakiana. Start some ox, Danny Dean, I'm finna pop a little bean, chopping the top, off of the ride, cut it to get a team, throwing some Zoe.
Hey, bro. Okay, I don't know if I don't know if it's just me, bro. But this nigga give me like Playboy Cardi, Chief Keef vibes. Like if Playboy Cardi and Chief Keef like had a kid. Pause. That's a beat. This would be this nigga right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, folks fake decent. You know what I'm saying? I can't even lie to you. This ain't a bad song to me. I kind of like this shit, and it might only be because Chief Keef in this motherfucker. But yeah, I don't give a fuck.
Sapa say they talking about Nabule, throw your bags. Came from friends, talking about my sherry. Helen Keller, ain't talking about money, I'm a deaf man. I just got a chain and a whip, I like fuck the clan. I just caught some brand new money. I just blew some bins and onyx. I just took the stand and lied to your honor. She gon' come to crib and give me that body. I keep a big fin, I be with piranhas. I just cop a lamb truck, fuck your Honda. No, not like a doctor, he be medicated. I need my money now, I ain't got no patience.
Oh, fuck no. I feel like that nigga is like a Playboy Cardi, Chief Keef hybrid on phone them grave. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even trying to be like bogus if that's bogus. Because Playboy Cardi lit as hell. Chief Keef is a fucking legend. You know what I'm saying? Folks, that's who folks sound like to me. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a sponsored video. It's sponsored by my damn self. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got this membership shit. What I need y'all to do if y'all want to support me financially, you can go ahead and go to my channel, click on that join button, and then it's gonna give you a little list of options you want to go through. So if y'all ever want to get into that, just go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, go click on that button over there to support your boy. And you know what I'm saying? We gonna get this motherfucker lit.